Today I'm going to be packing for my 21st birthday trip. Yay! I feel so old.
Bruh.
I'm going to be asking you guys to help me out for outfits. You guys are going to please help me out. I need serious help. Very indecisive, yeah. One of those indecisive people. First of all, there is a lot going on down here. There is a lot going on down here. So that's why I'm filming from here upwards, because down there's a pile of clothes that are everywhere. I'm not showing the whole room. So, okay. This is pretty much me, last minute packing. It's going to turn into last minute packing because I pack very slowly, very slowly. So, this dress from Fushini. I have this dress. I absolutely love it. It's very long length dress, and it is what I'm going to be wearing on day. It's my airport wear / rest of the day wear. And then I'm confused. I'm trying to decide whether I should wear it with dirty dirty. Don't mind the dirt. I should wear it with this or these shoes. I think it's giving casual. That's giving off to brunch. I don't know, but I like wearing heels. Okay, I like to wear them because I'm short. Well, I'm not short. I'm average height. 5'2" is average height. I mean, come on, right? Average height. I'm not short. I'm not gonna be showing all of the items and dresses and stuff like that because no. But yeah, I'm just showing you a glimpse. Okay, so this dress, I've worn it a couple of times before. It's I don't know if it's a maxi. I don't know what the dresses are called. It's a very tight fitting dress, and I'm trying to do this thing where I'm using the same dress and changing it up in different styles, putting maybe a shirt over it. I was thinking of maybe putting a shirt over it, so it'd be an oversized shirt or a cardigan, or I don't know, or maybe one of my black and white little short jacket that I have. It's a wool jacket that I have. I don't know if I should wear that with that. What did I just say? Okay, about the bag. I have my normal bag that my normal bag that I'll be using is this one. One of my main bags. I'm going to be packing I think four bags. No, that's too much. I think 3 will be fine. 3 bags. This is my main bag. Should I just wear this dress with this? You guys can't. I'm not showing you guys the bottom because there's a whole lot going on down there. So I'm not this dress with this. I should probably do a TikTok with the different looks that I want to do with that dress, or this black dress, same dress with this bag, that bag, or this bag. Should I do black on black, or will it be too black then? What if it's extremely hot and I'm wearing black, and you know how black is very irritating in the sun? So I don't know. You let me know in the comments. And then shoes. So shoes, I was thinking if I go black on black, I could wear black. I just went black. I could wear, how about I wear this with this dress? I'm thinking of going all out and just wearing this shirt. If it's hot, then whatever will. I think I'm going to be wearing a lot of shoes, high heels then. I'll probably just wear this shoe or this black. Or should I just make it casual? This with this, and then that black, not the black, I don't even know what I'm talking. This with the black dress and the white shoes. Okay. Oh, birthday dinner dress. Yes. I'm not going to show you the dress because obviously what I can tell you is this is going to be the shoe that I'm going to be wearing. I absolutely love it. And it goes well with the dress. So the color goes well with the dress. So that just makes me happy. Okay, what else do I need to pack? Jewelry. I don't even wear that much jewelry. I really don't. I don't. So it'd be a problem for me. So as long as I have rings, I'm fine. I'm perfectly fine. What else? What else should I be packing? A toothbrush, obviously, like the tip, little tip. If I'm leaving, if I'm going somewhere, that a few days before, I'll make sure that I have my suitcase packed and I take each and everything that I use every day, and I will, when I use it on a day, I'll put it back in the suitcase. Every day I put it back in the suitcase, just because I've noticed that on that day when I'm using like my bar towel after I've dried it up and my toothbrush after I've dried it up, I put it back in the suitcase, because if I don't put it back in the suitcase and I'm using it on that day that I'm leaving, I'm going to leave it there. I won't put it back in the suitcase. So that's why it's like a little thing that I do before I leave, to just leave my things in the suitcase. So yeah, like my important things like my body lotion, deodorant, I just leave it in the suitcase up until that day. Because if I don't put it there, I'm going to forget. I'm seriously going to forget. I have my tripods, this one, and then the other one, because obviously vlog, obviously there's going to be a vlog. I think I'm satisfied with this. I should be satisfied with this. Oh, and before I forget, so today I got the Revlon, because okay, the 5-in-1 concealer, and I'm wearing it right now. It feels so good. I love how light it is. It's just, I like this. It's a lot. It's very expensive for something that's very tiny, but I needed something that I could use instead of using my MAC concealer every day, because it tends to be a bit heavy, and this is light, so I wanted something light that I could wear in the sun. So yeah, this is actually, it feels good on my skin. Like I apply a little bit and just blend, and it does the job perfectly. I don't have to have like that hair. And then I also got I got the Revlon Color Stay Matte Light Crayon. This one's actually, I'm wearing it right now. I should probably do like a TikTok. I love this. I love this color so much. I love it. I should probably do like a makeup tutorial with this. But yeah, absolutely love it. And then we have my makeup brushes and a piece of paper, white paper. Why I have a white paper is because if you watch my makeup tutorials, I do, when I'm doing my makeup tutorials, in order for me to have that nice wing shape for my eyeshadow, I put a paper to help me align my eyeshadow properly. So yeah, and then I have spray for if I'm dewy and all, sweaty, and then I use a sponge just to dab me up. And then I think I'm fine with that. That's enough, right? That should be fine. I think I'm fine. It's done for the packing part. I think we're done with the packing part. So yeah, let's carry on with the stream.